Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. I have a very special trade for you today. 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a limited trim level. Beautiful, nice contrast between the chrome and the black on here. Got the Bridgestone Ecopia tires on there. Fantastic all-season tires. Got the 20-inch rims on there. Looks super special. I like the little, it's the design of the rims, little like Ys in the middle of the pockets there. Looks super sharp. Blind spot monitoring, we'll get to all the safety features in a moment, but blind spot monitoring will triangles in your mirror that glow amber if someone's in your blind spot. And if you try and merge, you can enable a setting that'll chime at you if you try to merge and you don't notice that. Do have the integrated roof rack on up here as well, so you just need to get your cross members and rack from whatever company you want, Yakima, Thule, there's a million out there, Sport Truck, that kind of a thing. Taking a look back here, get the rear parking sensors on the back. You can turn those off up front if you didn't want to have those on, nice and easily. And then get the sound group too, so you're gonna have the Alpine stereo, subwoofer here in the back, 12-volt receptacle if you wanted to plug in like an electric cooler, fill up an air mattress, that kind of a thing. And then taking a look under here, you get your spare tire, jack, and all those goodies right in there. And then easy down tailgate as well. Second row, you got fold flat seats, so relatively flat. I'll just fold this down, get a 60-40 split, give you kind of a good shot in there. You need to bring home something large. You can fold one or both of those sides down to help get it home. And then 120-volt receptacle down there, have a plug-in inverter. So if you need to get household power for like a fast charging phone, electric cooler, baby auto warmer, it's all there. So I mentioned the blind spot monitoring. Just have memory seat, power seat on the driver's side and passenger side. Adaptive cruise control as well as normal cruise control, forward collision assist, lane departure, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM. It'll actually park itself too, so you can engage a setting where it'll parallel or perpendicular park for you. The four-wheel drive system, so being the limited, kind of the standard Grand Cherokee, like a Laredo or even some of the altitudes, will have just automatic 4x4 and that's it. You can't do anything different. It's always, they're always working. This still has that, but in addition to that, it's got your snow mode, your sand mode, rock mode, four-wheel drive, low range lock, and your hill descent control. The big thing that's beneficial on here is the snow mode. That'll, instead of having the automatic 4x4 kick in, snow mode will split the torque front and rear 50-50 all the time and start you off in second gear. So if you had a red light on a hill, you'll have that torque front and back, and then you'll be starting in second gear, so it won't have, your RPMs won't spin as high, and you won't be spinning there, so it gives you a lot better traction. Great vehicle, tilt and telescopic steering, great voice command, tons of stuff to go over. Can make a half-an-hour video on this. I won't bore the camera girl or you, but come down, take a look, and give me a shout on myself. Set up an appointment, 780-952-3018. We'll talk to you soon.